Me, I don't have anything to admire in his administration.
Personally, I think he's a genuine man.
Welcome to our YouTube channel. My name is Maren and Maureen is behind the camera. Maureen, say hi.
Hi guys.
This episode we're going to be asking Kenyans about their opinion on Maandamano. So as we all know, it has affected all of us differently, and the question we are asking is this the best way forward? So we are going to be getting Kenyans' opinions on this. Come with us, let's go. So what's your opinion about the ongoing Maandamano?
My opinion is they're not being genuine because wanajua the current situation that the country is going through.
Ni affect sana because ile vitu tunataka gharama ya maisha shuke. Hiyo ndio kitu muhimu, hata wale wa maandamano ndio maoni yao.
Mimi maandamano imeniharibia kazi zangu. Kazi mingi siwezi fanya because mimi ni mtu freelance. Sasa hakuna kama wakati kama hizo unapata nimeitiwa kazi mingi na siwezi enda kufanya.
I think people are just exercising their own rights to do that. So
Yeah, and how has it affected you since it started?
it hasn't.
It hasn't affected
Yeah.
you?
Most of the time maandamano kama iko inatupatia break na kaa kwa nyumba of which sometimes kama hujajipange in 1 2 3 unakuwa affected. Na tu pia in terms of ukikuja hata wenyewe ni una feel insecurity. Yes, first second of all also maybe ukisikia hata even unaokopa kuingia town.
It's a good thing at the same time a bad thing in the sense in a good thing like the citizens wanajaribu to fight for their own rights to waweze to be heard by the government, but the bad sense in a way like not all some protesters have a bad intention kuharibia watu vitu zao, but it's a 50-50 thing.
Maandamano.
Yeah.
And before I continue, how will you see my identity? What I think about Maandamano is that it is really affecting me.
Okay.
It's also affecting the whole country, especially with respect to the reaction of those who are protesting, some of them, not all of them, versus the reaction of some of the security officers. It was so much bad because I had to stop coming to university because I learn both virtually and physically.
And what is your opinion on President Ruto's presidency? Would you say he delivered on, or is there a point? Is there something you can point out and say, I can see Ruto is working? Ama bado, what is your opinion on that?
Me, I don't have anything to admire in his administration.
The president himself explain plain white and black vile wanahitaji Kenya inahitaji do nini, but perhaps si kila mtu alielewa. Personally, I think he's a genuine man. He's trying to drive this country. Maybe umesikia watu wakisema in the next 2 years 1 year we hope to see something different. So personally he has good intentions na let's not be quick to judge. Hata to the time ikifika hiyo 1 year ama 2 years kama bado things ziko nini hapo sasa ndio tunaweza tafuta option 2.
Do you think Maandamano is the best way to go forward?
Watafute another way because hii ya maandamano ina involve maafa, yani loss of lives, na wao wenyewe watoto wao wako hapo.
I don't like the reason behind Maandamano. I just like when you know people that no, not that when there's that tension and between the cops and people and people throwing stones. It's a nice scene to see, and it's a civil right for other people. So why can people just do? We should actually do this every day.
Constitution inatuallow. So is the right way also too. But for the sake of the people, maybe another alternative.
I don't think there are some other ways the opposition group or alliance can channel their grievances. But again, it also depends on who is the recipient of the grievances. For an opposition group to ensure that they go on a strike, it means that their grievances have not been listened to by the government.
Since Ruto took presidency, what do you have to say about his presidency?
So far, sincerely speaking, I can't point out anything from the Ruto regime. Yes, he had got very good promises. He is an articulate and oratory president. But I think he's here to make into reality what he said or what he promised during his campaign.
Hakuna ni promises tupu. Si umeona akipromise hata unga. Wewe mwenyewe pia ukawa Kenya. Alisema unga itakuwa pesa ngapi? Hata sijui ni watu wetu. Sasa hii bado ni tofauti. Sasa hiyo ni uongo ama ni ukweli? Si amekuwa kitatudanganya tu.
In 5 years, would you vote for him for a second term?
That will depend on changes that will take place right from 2023 up to 2027. Yes, so it will depend on his performance. Yes.
Okay, what do you think about Ruto's presidency? Has he been able to deliver ama bado unaona vile kunaenda?
I voted for him, lakini for now, what I can advise, maybe aende kwa even one count, not at the count, for one constituency. For example, kama Nairobi achukue kama one ward, akombe kama anaweza pigiwa kura tena na hapa.